Hi, Karis and Eric here. First off, welcome to the Ozark Home Pros family. We're so glad you chose us and we're honored to be working on your home. Whether it's a bath, windows, or doors, our goal is simple. Do the job right and leave you with results that you'll be proud of.
The purpose of this video is to give you a clear picture of what to expect going forward.
First, take a few moments to go over your agreement and the specs. Things like colors, sizes, and options. If something doesn't look right or doesn't match what you had in mind, give us a call right away. It's easier to catch it now than fix it later.
Yeah, just so we're clear, what's written in the agreement is what we follow. If we talked about something and it's not written down, it won't be part of the project.
Also, by law, every project comes with a 3-day right to cancel. If needed, a copy of this document should be attached to your agreement. After 3 days, your project moves into production. Custom products are ordered and space is allocated for your project on our production calendar.
If you've got a bathroom project, here's what to expect. With FastBath, we already have your materials in stock. That means we can get you scheduled in 3 weeks or less, and most installs are completed in just 2 days. With FastBath Flex, you've chosen custom over speed. Flex takes a little longer because we're ordering everything to your exact specs, usually about 4 to 8 weeks for us to get your products in and schedule installation. But don't worry, the results are worth the wait.
If you've purchased windows or doors, a measure tech will reach out to schedule a confirmation measure before placing your order. We always double check those measurements to make sure your custom products fit perfectly.
Once your materials are in, one of our project managers will call to schedule your installation. We ask that you or someone from your household be there at the beginning and the end of the installation. At the beginning, we'll walk through the plan together and go over details like where you'd like the grab bars, shelves, or storage caddies, so everything ends up right where you want it. Upon completion, we'll do a final walkthrough with you to make sure everything looks great, show you how to use your new items, and confirm the job is finished the way it should be.
If you finance your project, here's how it works. Due to privacy laws, once we've walked you through the application and approval process, further communication has to be between the applicant and our finance partner directly. They'll explain your payment plan, answer billing questions, and we'll reach out directly by phone or email to walk you through the setup.
Now, sometimes their process can feel a little confusing, like setting up your online account, getting autopay started, or even just figuring out your first bill. Even though we don't control their system, we don't want you to feel stuck. If something doesn't make sense, call us and we'll do our best to point you in the right direction. They handle the money side, but we're always here to support you.
At Ozark Home Pros, heart leads the way. Honesty, excellence, ambition, results, and trust. Those aren't just words on our wall. They guide how we work with you and how we run our business. And if you ever see a place where we can live up to those values better, we want to hear about it.
Thank you again for trusting us with your project. We're excited to get started and can't wait to deliver results you'll love.